How to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. Make sure to update your app to remove your Bitmoji. Then open Snapchat application. Now click on your Bitmoji above. You will see your Bitmoji in front of you. You can change it and you can even remove it. You can change it by clicking here, and you can also remove it. Now you click on the given setting icon. Scroll down. Tap on I need help. Now click on the given search tab and search Bitmoji. Read the following paragraph carefully and go back. Click the setting icon again to return. Scroll down and tap on Bitmoji. Here you will see three options. If you want to change your Bitmoji, then click on Edit My Emoji. And if you want to remove your Bitmoji, click Unlink My Emoji. Now tap on Unlink. Now go back. You can see your Bitmoji can be completely removed. Or now if you want to create your Bitmoji again, you can create it by clicking here.